Here you come.
Alright, hold on.
You gotta swallow it, right? Or you can eat it. I don't care how you eat it, but
it just can't come out.
What you're gonna do is cough and
yeah, that's what I think is gonna happen right there.
Face this way. There goes a little.
Oh.
Wow, you're doing really well.
I can't swallow it.
You try? No, this way, this way.
Oh. Oh, that's horrible. Alright, that's one.
Got it?
You spit it out or what?
No. Oh.
You gonna puke?
Oh, here it comes.
Nah.
No, you can't drink any beer.
I can't drink anything. I'd probably do a bigger spoonful, actually.
That was a pretty good.
Oh.
That was a pretty good spoon. I think that was a fair spoon. I'm amazed you did that. Most people just immediately start sneezing and coughing.
Boom. There you go.